Can't see your desktop icons on Windows 11? Don't worry, here's a quick fix. And if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe for more simple and helpful tech tips. First, right-click anywhere on your desktop. Hover over View. Click on Show Desktop Icons. If it's unchecked, click it and your icons will instantly appear. If you're missing icons like this PC or recycle bin, here's what to do. Right-click on the desktop, click Personalize, go to Themes, click Desktop Icon Settings. Check the icons you want, click Apply, then OK. If icons still don't show, try refreshing your desktop. Click anywhere on the desktop, click Refresh, and that's it. Your desktop icons should now be visible. Like and subscribe for more quick Windows tips. Thank you for watching.